In today's video, we'll be discussing a topic that many of you have requested: how to apply for farm worker jobs in New Zealand. Whether you're a local resident or an international job seeker, we'll guide you through the process step by step. So, let's get started. Before we dive into the application process, let's talk about why New Zealand is a great destination for farm work. Known for its stunning landscapes and thriving agricultural industry, New Zealand offers plenty of opportunities for those interested in working on farms. Step 1. Researching farm worker jobs. The first step is to research available farm worker jobs in New Zealand. Start by exploring online job portals, such as the official New Zealand government website, agriculture-specific job websites, or even local newspapers. Take note of the job requirements, responsibilities, and qualifications needed for each position. Step 2. Reviewing visa requirements. If you're an international job seeker, it's crucial to review the visa requirements for working in New Zealand. Visit the official New Zealand immigration website to determine the appropriate visa category for farm work. Ensure that you meet the eligibility criteria and gather all necessary documents, including your passport, medical examinations, and evidence of work experience. Step 3. Preparing your resume and cover letter. A well-crafted resume and cover letter are essential to make a good impression on potential employers. Tailor your resume to highlight relevant skills and experiences that align with farm work. In your cover letter, express your enthusiasm for farm work and explain why you're interested in working in New Zealand's agricultural industry. Step 4. Networking and connecting. Networking is key when it comes to finding job opportunities. Connect with people already working in the agricultural sector in New Zealand through online forums, social media groups, or even industry events. They might provide valuable insights, job leads, or recommendations that can enhance your chances of finding farm worker positions. Step 5. Applying for jobs. Once you've identified suitable job openings, it's time to submit your applications. Follow the instructions provided by the employers carefully. Some may prefer online applications, while others may require physical copies. Ensure that you complete all sections accurately, attach your resume and cover letter, and submit them before the specified deadline. Step 6. Interview preparation. Congratulations if you're invited for an interview. Take this opportunity to research the farm and the specific role you've applied for. Prepare answers to common interview questions and consider how your skills and experiences make you a suitable candidate for the job. Dress professionally and make sure you're well prepared for the interview. Step 7. Accepting the job offer. If you're fortunate enough to receive a job offer, take the time to review the terms and conditions. Understand the salary, working hours, accommodation arrangements, and any other benefits or requirements associated with the job. If everything aligns with your expectations, express your acceptance and gratitude to the employer. And there you have it, a step-by-step guide on how to apply for farm worker jobs in New Zealand. Remember, the key is to be proactive, well-prepared, and persistent in your search. We wish you the best of luck in your endeavors. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more informative content. If you have any questions or suggestions for future videos, please let us know in the comments section below. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.